Welcome back to another video. Today we are on the lake down in Table Rock. Pretty peaceful, a couple boats out, but as you can see behind me here, we have some ropes. These are going to be Pro Line. Both of them are, and I wanted to show you the difference. The blue one is going to be a wakeboard rope, and the red one is your standard ski rope. The difference that I really notice is, one, the handle. This is it's pretty narrow, same ends, but it's a smooth kind of a felty material. And then we have the, I'll undo it here. Then we have the wakeboard rope, which if we put these side by side, the blue one, the wakeboard rope, is quite a bit wider, and it's made out of a foam squishy material, so it's a lot more comfortable on your hands. Okay, so the second major difference in these ropes is your ski rope is going to have one loop. That's all that is in it. So if you are wakeboarding and you want to shorten it, you have to make a special knot, and you don't want to tie these in a knot. It's just a braided line, so you'll probably tear it. But I will show you how I put this rope on the ski pylon. And then our wake rope actually has multiple. It's going to have one here. We'll go down the rope. And it actually has a second to shorten the rope. It has a third. So from there to there, it's roughly 5-foot increments. So if we have 3, you can shorten it by 15 feet. This one's going to have a grand total length of 75 feet, I believe, and so does your ski rope. So when you're first learning how to wakeboard, you can shorten the rope. It'll lift you a lot easier, and this one you cannot unless you do a special loops, which I will show you now. Alrighty, so your basic ski rope, a lot of people just loop it around here and then they go like that. Sometimes, I mean, it'll work, but it'll probably fall off. So what you want to do is you want to loop it, twist, and then go back over. That creates a nice loop, and that's the proper way. If someone else has a better way, leave it in the comments below. Okay, so if you have a ski rope and you're wakeboarding, or maybe you're skiing and you want a shorter rope and you only have one loop, you can shorten the rope by basically folding it in half, wrapping it around, go underneath, and then take your loop, hook it around, and pull. Now you have a nice unknotted loop, and it'll stay short, and it won't damage the line. Okay, so there you guys go. We have the wakeboard rope, we have the ski rope. You can wakeboard with the ski rope. Any questions you have, leave it down below. The blue one's around $40, and your standard red ski rope is around $25. So it's a very cheap, a very inexpensive option if you need a nice, easy go-to rope. We're beginners at wakeboarding, skiing. We've tubed a bunch, and we have a Pro Line rope as well that is green for tubing. But these, I just wanted to come on here real quick and give you a little review for what they are and their price. It's a great option. So we'll see you on the next one. Like it, subscribe, and catch you later.